Only by coloring pictures on your mobile phone, you can already have the opportunity to earn a salary of $84,000 per month. And the best part is, you don't need paper and canvas as capital. You just need to record your mobile phone screen and edit it with a little creativity to create your content. In this video, I will provide a complete tutorial from start to finish on how to make the video and achieve the final result. So, keep watching this video and don't skip any parts because there will be important information conveyed every second. Later on, please don't skip this video because I will explain step by step, from analyzing reference channels to finding content materials and creating the video. I will explain and demonstrate each step clearly so that you can understand and practice it yourself. The first step is to analyze other people's channels so that we can observe and imitate them. Now, you can see the Magic Finger Art channel. This channel already has 4.5 million subscribers with content focused on coloring for children. Before this, take a look at the incredible achievements this channel has reached only one video, such as getting 42,000 views just 2 days ago. It's an amazing success achieved just by coloring. Can we create content like this? Yes, we can. Even without having canvases, paper, or brushes, don't worry. We will create it without canvases and paper, just by using our mobile phones. This channel is aligned with its theme and content targeting children, yet it can still generate income through Google AdSense. If it couldn't make money or couldn't be monetized, why would they still upload videos? There's another channel called Super Crazy Kids. Its content is also aimed at children, but with a different concept. Here, there are animations, but the theme remains the same, which is coloring or learning to color. We can also create videos or content like this without having to create the animations ourselves. We will use an application that I will explain in this tutorial video. You just need to use your mobile phone, and you can already create videos like this. Then, we will combine it with coloring content to avoid copyright infringement and make our videos even more interesting. Now, let's take a look at the analysis of the Magic Finger Art channel on the Social Blade website. You can see for yourself that the estimated monthly earnings are around $5,300 to $84,200. These numbers are fantastic from YouTube. Alright, let's go straight to the tutorial on how to create the video. But before that, we will first look for the content materials. What do we need to create the video? You can search for it on the Google Play Store using the keywords Go Kids Coloring Earning. There, you will find several applications that you can use. Choose the application that you think is suitable for creating your content. This application is very simple and free. You can color with it, especially what kids like. Here, there are several templates that we can use. You just have to record, and if you can, do some dubbing. If you don't want to do dubbing, you can simply add sound effects or background music that is copyright-free. That's already sufficient and appealing to capture the interest of children. The coloring process is very easy, and once you understand it, you can execute it and record the screen. With just one app, we can create several pieces of content. For example, these images of animals can be used to create multiple videos. You can also download similar apps if you want. You can do the dubbing according to your own ability. If you're not confident, you can use a robot voice, but I suggest using your own voice. For those who are not confident or don't want to do dubbing, you can use sound effects or background music. You can search for them on YouTube. There are plenty of copyright-free options, especially for children's content. As long as we do our own dubbing and editing, and we don't re-upload other people's videos or music, we are using the game as our content medium, and it is educational content for children. Alright, that's enough explanation for this video. If there's anything you don't understand or if you want to discuss something, you can leave a comment in the comment section. You can also like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other opportunities to earn money from online. See you in the next video.